students. In this session, we will see how to derive equation of equation F is equal to m into A, and we will try to define 1 Newton. According to Newton's second law, which says that rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force. I will write like this: F is directly proportional to dp by dt, and the change in momentum takes place in the direction of force applied. Rate of change of momentum is directly proportional to force, and this change in momentum takes place in the direction of force applied. That is Newton's second law. Now, here there is a proportionality symbol. To remove the proportionality symbol, I will introduce one proportionality constant. So, what I will write? F is equal to, I will write some proportionality constant k into dp by dt. Okay. So, I know what is P, momentum. Momentum is equal to product of mass and velocity. P is equal to m into v. Okay. So, I can write the vector symbol also. F is equal to dp by dt. F is equal to k into dp by dt. Momentum is also a vector. Momentum is equal to mass into velocity. Or F is equal to k into, let me substitute for momentum, differentiation of momentum, mass into velocity, m into v. Now, if we consider mass constant, in most of the cases mass constant, in some cases like a rocket and all, mass is constant, because rocket propulsion, rocket goes upwards, it loses some fuel, correct? Now, fuel gets burnt, so mass of the rocket gets decreases. In that case, mass, velocity both are variables. Here, say for a body with fixed mass, if m is constant, okay, say m is constant, then what can be done? M can be written outside the differentiation, because this mass is independent of time. Okay. So, I can write F is equal to k into m into dv by dt. So, what is the meaning of dv by t? So, rate of change of velocity. Dv by dt means acceleration. So, what happens? F is equal to k into m into a. Acceleration is a vector quantity, since acceleration is equal to dv by dt. In SI units, the value of k is 1. Value of k is equal to 1. So, therefore, what we get? We get an equation F is equal to m into a, which equation also tells that if F is equal to 0, then A is also equal to 0. So, this is Newton's first law. What Newton's first law says? If the body is at rest, it will be at rest. If the body is moving with a constant velocity, it will be moving with a constant velocity, unless you apply an external force. What does it tell you? First law: to produce an acceleration, external force is required. If the external force is 0, acceleration produced in the body is 0. That means velocity will not change. Now, say there is an object, there is a body of mass 1 kg, okay, and you have applied some force, okay, and acceleration produced in this body, let it be 1 meter per second square. Acceleration produced in the body, let it be 1 meter per second square. Then the force that you have applied is 1 Newton. See, from this equation I can write 1 Newton is equal to 1 kg into 1 meter per second square. Remember, if a force can produce an acceleration equal to 1 meter per second square in a body of mass 1 kg, then the force that you have applied is 1 Newton.